What is happening? I am Gene Darden with The Real Brokerage, and I have got an awesome house to show you today. 4602 Burning Tree Lane in Pelham, Alabama. So listen, what I love about this is it's very unique and it will serve so many different purposes. So if you're a buyer out there and you've got a big family, you work from home, you like big private lots that are in a cul-de-sac, you like convenience where you're just minutes from the interstate and minutes from dining, nice areas, shopping, all the things. If all those things are things that you are interested in, this house is for you. So again, it's 4602 Burning Tree Lane in Pelham. It's going on at $450,000. I'm going to walk you through and just kind of give you some ideas as to what you can do with this. We'll start out here. Obviously, you've got fresh paint throughout out here, so the whole exterior of the home has been painted, which I love. And then we've got some really, really unique, nice things. So when you come in, you got a really, really nice entryway, and you've got beautiful tiles. It's actually travertine floors, and then you've got a mix of hardwoods where you walk through and you've got a nice living room that's separate. You've got formal dining, and then you've got this beautiful kitchen. So the owner of this home was a chef, and so he sets it up really, really cool in the kitchen so you can operate efficiently. So when you walk in here, you got beautiful tops, really, really nice size sink, unique custom cabinets, all the things you need. Nice gas cooktop with a hood, and it rolls right into, it's open to the great room. So as we keep rolling through here, they did an awesome addition on this. So if you got family over and you're celebrating the holidays, which we're coming up on right now, or you just want a big crew, then you've got this out here, which is absolutely beautiful. So they just redid this, and there's an addition to the home. You got the beautiful stonework in here. It's got its own separate AC unit right up there. It's got a little built-in nice fireplace to keep you warm in here. And it goes out the patio to what is one of the largest backyards in this area. This is not a cookie cutter home. This is not a cookie cutter neighborhood. This is truly, if you got big family, you want to stretch out, you got dogs, you got kids, you got in-laws, whatever you got, this family, this home covers it. So when you walk out, you can see the back. Again, beautiful stonework. You've got a nice place up here. That's a nice sitting patio that, again, is nice stonework. And look at this huge yard. Fenced all the way around, so you're nice and locked in. We're not even close to being finished to show you this house because it is large and it's got several options, so we'll keep walking through. Anyway, you got this huge concrete patio here that you can sit, entertain, create, you name it, you've got it out here. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's roll in. Hey, while you're on this, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel or anywhere else on social media, I'd love it if you would share with your friends just in case they know somebody. And how about subscribing as well? Hit the like button and subscribe, man. It helps me out so much. Helps me sell this thing. It only takes you 2 seconds, but it means the world to me, so I would love it. All right, so let's roll in. So as we go through, let's go to the top wing first. So you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on the upside, right through here. Here's your hall bath. Again, very unique, beautiful finishes, nice slate tops above sinks right here. I love this. And you got the nice shower. The tile work in here is just absolutely beautiful. So I know you're going to love that if you're seeing it. Woo, let's go. All right, so as we roll through, you got 2 large bedrooms right here and right here. And then you got the master right here. So if you go into the master, it's also got its own bath. All these things have been remodeled too. So I want you to take a second to look at the beautiful tile. Look at this shower. Man, it's nice. Such nice work. You don't have to do the updates that's been done for you, and you got all the space in the world that you need to make it happen. So guess what? Now I'm going to take you to some other things that are so unique about the house, and it's a really, really, really big bonus. The downstairs has a whole separate living quarter. It's got a full bath. It's got a little kitchenette, and there's even more. So hang tight. We're getting there. All right, so you go down to right here. You got a really, really large laundry. And then after you go through the laundry, you've got an additional bedroom right here. Again, a really large bedroom. They've all got large, nice closets. Beautiful natural light. You got the windows shining in. Then you got this separate living area right here. This is huge. You could use this as an office. You could have your in-laws move in if they need a separate suite because it's got an entrance straight off the front of the house there where they don't have any steps. You got the nice little kitchenette area. Beautiful, beautiful barn door. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. And then you've also got, again, another remodeled bath. Check out the tile, the nice backsplash, the nice accents. And you got yourself a walk-in shower right here. Okay. In addition to the uniqueness, you've got a 2-car garage. You can call it one car, two car. It's got one big door. So if you got two small cars, you can get them in here. This is your garage, obviously enclosed garage, which is perfect. But in addition to this, off the garage, listen, if you like have your own business, maybe, you know, you need storage, you need this, you need that. Maybe you're running an extra office. Maybe you're homeschooling, you name it. There's so many things you can do. Here's another part of the house that's wide open, huge space. As you can see, it's nicely done. And even another large room right here. So, man, you've got so much you can do. So if your situation is an in-law situation, homeschools, large family, you even got a lot of kids that are having to move back in with the parents these days just because things aren't as affordable as they were right now. So they're not able to buy a house or get that job. They'll let them get their own place. This house does all of it. And at the same time, you are not on top of each other. Absolutely, this is priced higher than any other home in the neighborhood because it's the biggest home in the neighborhood. It's one of the nicest homes in the neighborhood on one of the nicest lots. And all the other advantages I was telling you about and all the conveniences, unmatched. So, I am Gene Darden. If you want to see this, 205-426-1113, I would be glad to show it to you, or you call your agent, get them to schedule this. You got to see it. Don't miss it. This thing is perfect, and it's waiting for the next buyer, which is probably you. So thank you for checking this out. Have a blessed day. Peace.